So usually Ikea is out in the suburbs, but they opened a sort of poppy-uppy store. Okay. Oh goodness. So I'm just here for the ice cream. Is this even the right way? It looks like it, right? Or is it... what? No. They lured me out. Right? This is not Ikea, damn it. They lured me. I've been lured. So people, this looks like Ikea would be up there, but I'm not getting... I'm over there. Okay, this sign says... oh, it said... Ikea, you'll find us in Gallerian, which is this great mall. And I say, no, I don't find you here. Okay, so do you think they want me to go up the escalator or down? Well, is it up or is it down? But, oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not even there. Maybe it's onwards. Oh, maybe it's over there. Yeah. I even forgot why I'm here. Oh, fucking ice cream, yeah. Oh, it's so much bigger than I thought. Should I start with ice cream? Yes, I will. Okay, so far.
643.
Oh.
643.
Oh, good. Now what do I do? What do I do? Do I push anything? Yes, I pushed. So here we go, people. It's good. It's not overly sweet. Yeah, I'm going to do this again.